All right, so let's take a look at this problem. There are a couple of typos in it, but we can still do the math. So a hose fills a hot tub at a rate of 4.36 gallons per minute. How many hours will it take for this hose to fill a 309-gallon hot tub? So my final answer should be in hours. Let's keep that in mind. And let's see, I am given a rate of gallons per minute. And my hot tub is in gallons, but I'm looking for hours. So I'm going to do this. There's a couple different ways you can do this problem. I'm personally going to do it in 2 steps. The first one being I'm going to convert my rate so that way it's gallons per hour instead of gallons per minute. So this is my current rate, 4.36 gallons per 1 minute. To convert this into a gallons per hour, I can do a small conversion string. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if I multiply 4.36 over 1 times 60 over 1, the minutes will cancel out here. My numerator, I'm going to have to do 4.36 times 60. Let's grab a calculator for that. 4.36 times 60. I get 261.6. And the unit left over, the unit I didn't cancel, is gallons. Put gallons here. And in the denominator, I just have 1 times 1, which is just 1. That's nice. And the unit that I didn't cancel, the unit that's left, is hours. So I have now converted my rate into gallons per hour. This is good because I'm looking for a final answer of hours. So I haven't gotten that yet. I have my rate. I need to figure out how long it's going to take to fill this particular 309-gallon hot tub. Now, if the hot tub were 261.6 gallons, it would take exactly 1 hour. This one's a little bit bigger than that, so it's going to take a little more than 1 hour to check out exactly how much it's going to take. Now that we have our rate in the correct units, we can go ahead and take the total size of the hot tub that we're trying to fill, and we can divide it by the rate that the hose fills at, 261.6 per hour. And this looks a little bit yucky. You may actually see this written a couple different ways, but for the sake of time and space, I'm writing it this way, where I'm really just writing, I'm just taking my total volume and dividing it by my rate. And what's going to happen is I'm going to cancel out gallons, and anything divided by 1 actually doesn't make any difference really. So really the math I need to do is 309 divided by the 261.6, and I'm sorry, I wrote 0.6 twice. Sorry about that. Let's do 309 divided by 261.6. I'm gonna get 1.18. Let's round this to this. There's a lot here. Let's just round this to the nearest hundredth. So I will keep this at just 1.18. And I canceled the gallons, so hour is left. And I wanted my final answer in hours. Okay, and we know that 261 gallons takes an hour, so 309 gallons would take a little bit more than an hour, or in this case, takes 1.18 hours. So that will be our final answer for this one.